This is a 1969 Toyota Corolla two-door sedan. They began importing them, I believe, in 1966. So they really adapted this car very well to the American market. 1.1 liter four-cylinder engine, and now a automatic transmission was available. This one has that. It's a two-speed automatic. And the 60 horsepower is enough for this car to do well. So it's very light. And the interior here looks excellent. This is at auction here in Zephyr Hills. Don't know whether it's sold, but that interior looks very nice. Now it's very Spartan. There you see the control for the automatic transmission on the transmission tunnel there. Very plain and businesslike dashboard. Same thing with the door card here. Excellent condition. And I like the color of the car too. It's not a blazing yellow, but a yellow nonetheless. Notice that they have advertised the fact it has automatic transmission by that emblem there on the back. Toyota really understood what would make for good car sales in the United States, and this is a good example of that. Perfect car to run errands. And even back in the day, these had reclining seats, adjustable. Many U.S. cars didn't offer that feature at any price, except if you got power seats. A very nice car. This auction was held in November.